Hey guys, it's your host Ashish Arora from Intellect Digest, and in this video we'll be unboxing and having a quick hands-on overview of the newly launched Nokia 5.1 Plus. So without further ado, let's begin. Opening the box, first thing we get is the phone itself, then we have some paperwork followed by a pair of headsets, a Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, a charging brick with an output rating of 2 amperes, and finally a SIM ejector pin. New Nokia 5.1 Plus is a glass sandwich design just like its other siblings. On the top we get a 3.5mm headphone jack with a secondary microphone. On the left we get a hybrid SIM card slot which can accept either 2 SIM cards or a SIM card and a microSD card. On the right we get volume rockers with power or wake up button. On the bottom we get a speaker grill, Type-C port and primary microphone. On the front we have a 5.8-inch 19:9 HD Plus display, which means that the phone has a notch up front. The notch houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera, earpiece and other sensors. On the back we get a dual camera setup at 13 megapixel and 5 megapixels, LED flash, fingerprint scanner, Nokia branding and some other branding on the bottom. Talking about the specifications of this phone, it has a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with 3GB of RAM. It has 32GB of internal storage and there is an option of memory expansion via microSD card. It comes with stock Android experience on top of Android 8.1 Oreo, and since it is an Android One device, it means that it should get Android Pie in future. On the camera side of things, it has a 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel camera setup on the rear and an 8-megapixel selfie camera on the front. It also has all the signature Nokia camera features like picture-in-picture, dual picture, etc. These are the camera samples that we took with this device. At the time of shooting this video, we don't know the price of this device, but if the device is priced aggressively, it can be a great option for people who want a no-nonsense phone and want stock Android experience. We'll be comparing Nokia 5.1 Plus with its older sibling, the Nokia 6.1 Plus, in an upcoming video, so subscribe to us so you don't miss out on that comparison and many more such videos. I'll be leaving Best Buy links in the video show notes. Subscribe to us if you haven't already and press that bell notifications to get notified whenever we upload a new video. This is your host signing off. Thank you.